In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Ionos domain quickly and cleanly so it's no longer active in your account. Before we start, a quick note: deleting or cancelling a domain means you're essentially giving it up. You won't be able to use that same setup in your Ionos account anymore, and after a while it can become available for someone else to register. So only follow these steps if you're absolutely sure you don't need the domain or the remaining time you've already paid for. Now, let's walk through the process from inside your Ionos account. First, sign into your Ionos customer area in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top navigation area for the main menu. You're looking specifically for the section called My Account. This is where Ionos keeps your overall account and contract settings, including the subscriptions that contain your domains. Hover over or click on Menu, then choose My Account, and from there go to Contracts and Subscriptions. This page lists all of the contracts associated with your account. Each contract can include different products such as web hosting, email packages, and of course domains. Take a moment to identify which contract actually contains the domain you want to delete. The contract name might not be the same as the domain name itself, so look carefully. If you're not sure, you can usually expand or open a contract to see the domains and services attached to it. This is worth double checking because you do not want to cancel a contract that contains other services you still need. Once you've found the correct contract, click on the contract name. This will open a detailed view of what's included in that contract. Here, you'll often see options to manage or change individual services. Since you want the domain gone now and do not care about the remaining time you've already paid for, you'll be focusing on the cancellation options. Look for the option that says cancel contract or sometimes cancel individual items. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the layout and any updates Ionos makes, but it will be along those lines. If you see cancel contract, understand that this may stop all services under that contract. If the domain is the only thing in that contract, that's perfectly fine. If there are multiple products, look for cancel individual items so you can target just the domain instead of everything. Click the appropriate cancel option. From here, Ionos may guide you through a short confirmation process. You might be asked to confirm the date of cancellation, agree to terms, or acknowledge that you're forfeiting any remaining paid time. Since your goal is to have the domain gone as soon as possible, choose the earliest available cancellation date, which is typically immediate or at the end of the current billing period, depending on what they allow. Before you confirm, pause for a second and make sure this is indeed the correct domain and the correct contract. Once you're certain, go ahead and finalize the cancellation. After this, your domain will be scheduled for deletion from your Ionos account. That's all there is to it. By going to Menu, then My Account, then Contracts and Subscriptions, choosing the correct contract, and using the cancel contract or cancel individual items option, you can remove an Ionos domain you no longer need.